Ever struggle to find a protein powder that's actually clean? I used to dread reading ingredient lists, so many additives, artificial flavors, preservatives, even hidden sugars. It's exhausting. And don't get me started on the chalky taste some powders have. I just wanted something simple, healthy, and delicious. Then I found Orgain Organic Vegan Protein Powder. This is the vanilla bean flavor, smooth, naturally sweet. Each serving gives you 21 grams of organic plant protein. It's packed with 5 grams of organic fiber for gut support. No added sugar, no artificial colors or preservatives. Plus, it's USDA organic, vegan, gluten-free, and non-GMO. No soy, no lactose, no carrageenan. Just clean ingredients. The protein blend uses peas, brown rice, and chia seeds. You get all 9 essential amino acids in every scoop, and only 1 gram of sugar per serving, perfect for any diet. So, how do I use it? Let me show you. I grab 2 scoops and add them to my shaker. You can mix it with water, almond milk, or oat milk. Shake it up. No clumps, just a creamy vanilla drink. Sometimes I blend it into a smoothie with berries, or stir it into overnight oats for a protein boost. You can even add it to baked goods for extra nutrition. It's so versatile, fits any lifestyle or routine. I love it post-workout, or as a quick breakfast. It keeps me full and energized through busy days. And my family loves it too. Even the kids enjoy the taste. No more worrying about hidden ingredients or allergens, just pure organic nourishment in every serving. Each tub gives you 20 servings, plenty for daily use. Only 150 calories per serving, so it fits my goals. I feel good knowing it's certified plant-based and kosher. It's verified by third parties for quality and standards. No erythritol, no artificial sweeteners, just real nutrition. The vanilla bean flavor is naturally delicious, not overpowering. It's smooth, not gritty, and mixes easily every time. Whether you're vegan, gluten-free, or just health-conscious, Orgain fits right into your routine, no compromises. If you're tired of powders with mystery ingredients, or you want something safe for the whole family, this is your answer. Clean, organic, and versatile. It's perfect for fitness enthusiasts and busy parents. You can customize it any way you like. Get creative. Mix it, blend it, bake it. The possibilities are endless. I've tried so many powders, but this one stands out. No bloating, no weird aftertaste, just pure satisfaction. And it supports gut health with prebiotic fiber. I notice the difference in my energy and recovery. It's become a staple in my daily routine. If you're looking for quality, this is it. No more sacrificing taste for nutrition. No more guessing what's inside your protein powder. Orgain makes it easy to stay healthy and fueled. Just scoop, mix, and enjoy. Anytime, anywhere. So why settle for less when you can have the best? Try Orgain Organic Vegan Protein Powder today. Experience the difference of clean, plant-based nutrition. Your body will thank you, and so will your taste buds. Order now and see how easy, healthy living can be. Ready to upgrade your shakes and smoothies? Make Orgain Vanilla Bean your new go-to protein. Perfect for everyone, vegans, athletes, families. No artificial anything, just pure organic goodness. Feel the energy, enjoy the flavor, love the results. Don't wait. Your healthiest self starts here. Click the link and get your Orgain Vanilla Bean now. Join thousands who've made the switch to cleaner protein. Discover how easy and delicious healthy can be. Orgain, where nutrition meets taste every single day. Thanks for watching. Here's to your healthiest, happiest you. Don't forget to try Orgain Vanilla Bean Protein Powder.